Hi, my name is Brad Lawrence. I am a solution architect at Microsoft, and one of my focus areas is conversational AI and using tools like Power Virtual Agents. Today I'm going to show you a tip on how to start a topic by checking the state of a global variable. This tip applies to the generally available release of PVA as of March 30th, 2023. The upcoming next release of PVA with a unified canvas does not have the same restriction as the current version of PVA. To get started, let's show a common scenario where your bot may have a global variable that indicates a unique characteristic about the user. In this example, we will ask the user if they are a resident of the United States and store that in a global variable. Now that we have the residence information of the user, we can create a topic that will take some action based on that information. Herein lies the limitation in the current version of PVA. The flow within a topic cannot start with a conditional check. You have to display a message, and only after the message is displayed can you do a conditional branch. This in many cases is not the optimal user experience we want. We would rather perform a conditional check, then display customized messages depending on the results. We can overcome this limitation by using Power Automate and a very simple flow. Topics are allowed to call a Power Automate flow at the start of the topic. What we will do is create a flow and simply pass in the variable that we want to check and have that flow return that variable. We can then put a conditional check immediately after the return from Power Automate and branch our logic without having to display a superfluous message. Let's go ahead and test out this logic. For this first run, I will say I am a resident of the United States. Now let's call the topic to check our status. And as expected, I get the message meant for residents. In the next run, let's say we are not a resident of the United States. When we call the topic to check our status, we get the message for non-residents as expected. I hope this simple pattern helps you improve the user experience of your bots built with Power Virtual Agents. Thank you for watching, and please follow me on YouTube or LinkedIn to get more conversational AI tips in the future.